Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by creating your Tumblr account and choosing a short URL. This matters for sharing. Next, pick a focused niche and define 3 content pillars to keep you consistent. Then, make your first post. Aim for 300 to 500 words, include one high-quality image, and add 3-5 relevant tags. Once done, enable reblogging and follow 20 relevant blogs to seed your dashboard. These first steps get content visible and build the pattern you will repeat. You now build the core routine. Set a realistic posting cadence, like 3 full posts per week or daily micro-posts. Use post types strategically: photo posts for quick engagement, long text for tutorials, and video for deeper connection, and format headings, short paragraphs, and lists for scalability. Make tagging deliberate. 5 to 10 tags mixing trending and niche terms to reach both broad and targeted viewers. Once established, schedule posts and reblog relevant content to maintain steady discovery. You finish by promoting and analyzing. Cross-post to other socials, join Tumblr groups, and collect emails with a simple newsletter to own your audience. Each week, review notes and engagement metrics. Identify which posts earned reblogs and clicks, then double down on those formats. Optimize visuals, update evergreen posts, and keep your theme fast-loading. If reach is low, a key fix is to remove 1 or 2 overly broad tags, add more niche tags, and repost with a fresh headline to test renewed traction.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.